Hello guys, how are you? Everything good? Now bring for you this for melting this furnace with the blower. You can easily melting any metal. You put the inside. After maybe 20 minutes, you can melting this your product. Okay. Now I show you this opening now. This coming with the tongue and carbon stick. It coming one carbon stick and tongue and also this holder. See, this 3 kilo. You can make melting 3 kilo. This is the crucible. This crucible, you put the gold inside. After put here, like this, and close. And just open. Now coming in the iron. This 5 come in iron, and your gas pipeline only join this one, connect this one. After open this one, and this the thing. This is easy. Thank you so much.